Hello, as you know, I am in Darjeeling in this hotel room. So what we have here what I see is the TV, the tea with the kettle and cups, where there's a choice of tea, coffee and of course the bottled water. There is the study desk, and out there is the streets of Darjeeling, and there are the mountains over there. Quite high up. There is the bed, and out there you can see the reflection of the bathroom. As I go in here, there's the sink, there's the ensuite, and over there is the shower. And out there is the window of the shower. Didn't expect that you could have a window of the shower in the hotel. And there's the shutter to decide whether you want to have a shower without being seen. Okay, that's all in the hotel. I hope to go outside, look around, go out to the streets. There's a lot more out there than meets the eye. Okay? Peace. And things to do in Darjeeling soon.